When you're ready to start downloading designs from the internet, from your computer, from a CD that you have purchased, there's a few things you need to know. Number one, either purchase a Bernina USB stick, or you're going to need a USB stick that is considered only a 1 gig stick. Some 1 gig sticks will work, some will not, but you want to stay away from some of those super large ones, like a 64 gig stick. That way, the machine can really just look for the designs and let you access them. So just because you're not seeing your designs when you touch the USB symbol does not mean that you have done anything wrong. Check the USB stick, and again, if you can't find a stick that works, visit your local Bernina retailer and purchase the Bernina USB stick that you know does work. Once you put it in the machine, you will notice that you can touch the USB stick and any folders that you have created will show up. Now, I am going to make a quick note because as soon as I touch one of the folders of my next project I'm working on, you're going to see something a little odd. So you see kind of these squiggly lines. I happen to use a Mac when I transfer designs. If you are using a PC computer with Windows, you will not have this issue. But if you're a Mac person like I am, you're going to notice that the first half of the designs are going to be non-usable. Let me show you what I'm talking about. There's actually 16 pages here, which means the first 8 are not usable, but you'll see what I'm talking about. As soon as I get to where the designs are, they will show up. This has got some monograms, some fun designs that I am looking forward to stitch out. Oh yeah, a lowercase too, I just forgot about that. Some borders, some fun sayings, and so forth. But if the designs are not showing up and you use a Mac, just make sure you scroll all the way through. So the next question, which format do you use to download to the Bernina? You can either use EXP or DST. So most design companies create these designs, they will be the ones you use, and they will then show up. If you do any other formats, they won't show up as a item that you can select and bring right in. So those couple tricks will save you a lot of headaches. Use a 1 gig stick, use EXP or DST, and if you're using a Mac computer, just note that you'll need to scroll down through the designs until you find the pictures that actually show up.